When there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do us no harm. Yes, overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. Overthinking can create problems that weren't even there or may not even happen in the first place. Although we think that by overthinking we are helping or protecting ourselves in some or the other way, what we are really doing is we are robbing ourselves from being the present or from being happy. Once we start overthinking, it's really hard to stop. So, here are 5 ways that will help you to stop overthinking. Stop and focus on the positive things that are going on right now. Stop for a moment and think about all the things that make you happy or to what you're thankful for. This little shift will help you to retrain your mind to think more positively. As you must be knowing, it only takes one brick at a time to build a house. Consequently, it will also help you to feel more peaceful and stop overthinking, as you're no longer putting emphasis on the negativity that is prevailing inside of you. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. Overthinking can be stopped by making a simple mind shift. The next thing that you can do is repeat peaceful words to yourself throughout the day. Let's do an exercise here. Pause this video and pay attention to your brain at this very moment. What kind of thoughts do you observe? Most likely, overthinking centers around how many things I have to do today, or what someone said to me that made me sad or angry, or even sometimes self doubt about your own self. I know for a fact that with so much of negativity prevailing on the social media every single day, maintaining a positive mindset isn't always easy. However, you can definitely counter the negative stress inducing thoughts with simple, peaceful words. Anytime you feel anxiety inside of you, introduce calming words into your awareness. You can say things like, I am confident. I know that all things will turn out in my favor. I believe in God and that He's always got my back. God is with me. God is helping me. God is guiding me. This will be the best day ever of my life. Words carry a lot of meaning and power, so use them wisely to your advantage whenever you feel stressed out. The next thing that you can do is meditate on a regular basis. Believe me, meditation did sound like an alien concept to me at first, but when I started practicing it, it helped me a lot, and I'm sure it will help you as well. When you meditate, it stops the flow of thoughts that are bombarding your conscious every second and will take you to a place of stillness and calmness. While you don't have to turn off your brain to meditate, many people think that their thoughts slow down incredibly and they are able to observe themselves much easier with closed eyes and controlled breaths. Meditation simply brings awareness into the body and makes it much easier to cope with the daily challenges of life. If you want to cultivate more peace in your mind and life, start meditating or sitting quietly, focusing on nothing but your breath for at least 10 minutes on a daily basis. With this, you'll realize that adopting a peaceful mindset will become much more easier. So the next thing that you have to do is live in the present. Forget overthinking about the things that you have to do tomorrow, or the bills that you have to pay next week, or the uncertainty of the future that's not even gotten to you yet. Or overthinking that you might lose your job, or your partner, or that your business will crash. When you let such thoughts creep in your mind, it can cause great diseases within your body and can also lead to depression, anxiety, chronic stress, and other serious problems. Most anxiety is caused living elsewhere other than the present. So whenever you feel that your thoughts are taking you elsewhere, bring it back to the present. Allow yourself to flow from one moment to the next, just as you did as a child. And by doing this, you will recapture what it means to feel through peace. The last but not the least is get out in nature. Yes, you heard it right. Nature is absolutely the right place to quiet a busy mind. As you know, we all have families to feed, because of which we are always busy at work. This little break will help you to recapture your soul. You could do this on a weekend or on your lunch break in a nearby park. Just go there and sit quietly with your phone aside for sure and observe the nature and the beauty that it has to offer. Observe all the greenery around you and the beautiful plants around you and the beautiful sky above you. And I'm sure you will definitely find the peace that you were searching for. In case if you're really stressed out, consider going on a vacation somewhere beautiful and away from everything. Anything that you can do to strengthen your bond with nature will greatly benefit your mind. Remember that nature doesn't struggle through life and you don't have to either. Don't get too caught up in the materialistic world because you won't find peace in numbers and possessions. Truthfully, peace resides within your heart already. You can let me know in the comment section below if you found these tips useful, and also share this video with your best friends, relatives, family and your partner, as it might be useful for them. Subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update. Until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, love you all.